Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, and we are from Group F, and today we would like to present the result of our project titled "To Design and Develop a Vocabulary Activity Using Moodle Quiz." Next. So let me introduce the member of our group. The first, Fani Ramadhanti as second speaker, Amelia Putri as the first speaker, dan Manita Adia as the first speaker, Nabila as last speaker, and Hannah Aurelia as the third speaker. Each of us will explain different part of the presentation. The first material about introduction will be delivered by Amel. For Amel, time is yours.
Okay, we will start from the introduction or background of information. So, as we know, in today's digital learning area, integrating technology into education has transformed teaching and learning process. Interactive tools promote activity student participation, enhance understanding, and support diverse learning style and boosting motivation and interest in lesson. So Moodle or modular object oriented dynamic learning environment is widely used open source learning management systems or EMS that offers powerful features such as assignment, quizzes, workshop, forums, lessons, and H5P integration. One of Moodle's most effective tools is the quiz feature, which support various assessment types like multiple choice, true or false question, short answers, matching, and provides immediately feedback, automatic grading, and data analysis to track student progress. So this project focused on using Moodle's quiz feature to design an interactive vocabulary activity for 7th grade junior high. The So vocabulary is a crucial foundation in language learning, but traditional method can be less engaging sometimes. So this activity aims to make vocabulary learning specifically and greeting and lip taking more effective and enjoyable. And then for the objectives, so um, this project for the objective to create an engaging and interactive vocabulary activity using the module quiz feature. Jadi tujuan utama dari proyek kami adalah membuat aktivitas pembelajaran kosakata yang lebih menarik dan interaktif dengan menggunakan fitur quiz di Moodle. And then scope of the project, designed for 7th grade junior high school student. The activity focus on vocabulary related to greetings and lip taking, a key topic in basic English curriculum. And the quiz will help students recognize, understand, and use common expression in both formal and informal context. Jadi proyek ini khusus untuk siswa kelas 7 SMP dan berfokus pada kosakata, greetings, and lip taking yang merupakan bagian dari kurikulum dasar bahasa Inggris di tingkat ini. Nah, aktivitas ini bertujuan untuk membantu siswa mengenali, memahami, dan menggunakan ungkapan-ungkapan umum untuk menyapa dan berpamitan dalam konteks formal maupun informal. I think that's all for the introduction. Next, back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Amelia, for the explanation about introduction. And the next material, literature review, will be delivered by Fanny. For Fanny, time is yours.
Thank you, Hannah, for the opportunity. So, I'm Fanny, and in this section, my area for this presentation is about literature review or theoretical foundation. So, I want to highlight 4 things in the literature review. The first one is the importance of vocabulary in ELT. It is from Nation 2001 and Smith 2008. And then the second one is Moodle as an LMS in e-learning from Dow Jones and Taylor 2003. And then Moodle quizzes for interactive learning from Jamil et al. 2012. And then the last one is Digital Learning Design Principle from Anderson 2008. So we're going to talk from the first one is the importance of vocabulary in ELT. Vocabulary in English language teaching is one of the essential components in language learning. Without a sufficient vocabulary, learners will struggle to express themselves and understood others in both written and spoken communication. And from according to Smith 2008, effective vocabulary learning includes exposure, noticing, retrieval, and generative use. This support the needs of interactive and engaging activities that allow students to practice and reinforce new vocabulary regularly. So the second one is Moodle as an LMS in e-learning. Moodle, or Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment, is a widely used open source learning management system designed to provide educators, learners, and administrators with a single robust, secure, and integrated system to create personalized learning environment. According to Dow Jones and Tyler 2003, Moodle supports constructivist and collaborative learning principle. It enables educators to manage content, deliver activities, and assess learners through various tools such as quizzes, assignment, forum, and lesson. In ELT, Moodle has been found effective in supporting blended learning, promoting autonomy, and fostering student engagement in language learning activities. And the third one is Moodle quiz for interactive learning. And in this section is for vocabulary learning. The quiz feature in Moodle offers various types of questions such as multiple choice, matching true or false, or short answer, and others. This flexibility allows educators to design vocabulary-focused activities that test recognition, comprehension, and usage. According to Jamil et al. 2012, digital quizzes with instant feedback, such as those provided by Moodle, can improve learners' motivation and enhance learning outcomes. And the last one is designing effective digital learning activities. Designing online learning activities requires careful consideration of learner engagement, cognitive load, and clarity of instruction. Anderson 2008 emphasized that effective digital learning environments should be interactive, learner-centered, and provide opportunities for immediate feedback and reflection, and provide opportunities for immediate feedback and reflection. In the context of vocabulary learning, activities should allow for repetition, contextual usage, and varied practice format to ensure deeper learning. Moodle quizzes fulfill this by enabling diverse question types and tracking student performance, which makes it all suitable tools for vocabulary reinforcement. I think that's all from me. Back to moderator.
Thank you, Fanny, for the explanation about literature review. And the next material about borders and will be explained by me. Okay, so first we decide the topic and tools. We use the quiz feature in Moodle, and we're focused on vocabulary about reading, greetings, and living taking for 7th grade students. And the second, we design the learning objective and the quiz. Our goal was to help students identify and use common greeting and live taking phrase in English. For assessment, we plan to use model quiz score, which include multiple choice and matching, like and drop. The next, in the development step, we create the quiz using modules. We work together to make the question clear and interesting. We also make sure the quiz was suitable for student level and easy to understand. And after that, we wrote a report about the project. We submit the report through the university learning platform, explaining everything we have done. Then and then we present the project in a Zoom meeting. Each group member explain their part and share what we learned. And the last, we did a peer assessment. We give each other feedback about the activity, what worked well, and what could be improved. And this helped us reflect on our teamwork and the quality of our work. And the role of each team member is Nurmanita Ardia help with planning, join every group discussion, and write the final project report. Nabila work on the development of the quiz in Moodle and as also create a vocabulary game using word wall as extra material. Fanny Ramadanti collaborate with Amel to design the PowerPoint slide. She also helped write the report with Nurmanita. And Amel Putri Mahadi worked on the PowerPoint presentation and shared ideas during team discussion. And the last, Hannah create the attendance activity, design a drag and drop quiz for the second part, and help at reference from book. I think that's all. Maybe next material. The next material is about discuss the lesson learning, the lesson learned and co- uh, sorry, lesson plan and report the result will be delivered by Nabila. For Nabila, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Hannah. And here I will explain about results and discussion, which are lesson plan and report the result. The first one is lesson plan. Our topic is greeting and lift taking, and our target is 7th grade. And the learning objective is students will be able to identify and use common greetings and lift taking vocabulary. Our activities is for pre-activity, we use vocabulary introduction with images. And for main activity, we use Moodle quiz, which is word wall. And for post activity is reflection and discussion. Next is report the result. This mini project resulted in a successful vocabulary learning activity using the Moodle quiz feature. The chosen vocabulary focus is greeting and lift taking, which is part of the basic English curriculum for grade 7 junior high school students. The model quiz we designed includes different types of questions such as multiple choice and matching, which aims to help students recognize, understand, and use common expression appropriately in formal and informal settings. Informal and informal settings. The final product is uploaded to the Moodle platform. The activity consists of a brief explanation of the topic, followed by an interactive quiz that provided immediate feedback to the students. This format was chosen to increase engagement and encourage active learning. I think that's all from me. I give it back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you Nabila for the explanation about lesson plan and report the result. And the last material is about discuss the lesson learned and conclusion. Will be delivered by Nita. For Nita, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the moderator. I will explain the lesson learned from this mini project. So, during this mini project, we learn many new things, both in using technology and working as a team. First, we learn how to use model quiz feature properly. At the beginning, most of us didn't know how to create quizzes on model. It was a bit challenging and confusing, especially when setting the question and format. But with collaborative learning and trial and error, we were finally able to understand and use the feature. Another important lesson, we learned the importance of teamwork and communication. We divide our tasks, discuss our ideas, and made sure to communicate clearly with each other. This discussion helped us become better at making decisions and thinking critically. And we also learned that making fun and effective learning activities is not just about the content. It's also about making it easy to understand, interesting for students, and suitable for their needs. And we find challenges for this mini project, and we learn how to overcome them. And next slide, please. Okay, so in conclusion, this mini project demonstrate how Moodle quiz feature can be effectively used to enhance vocabulary learning among junior high school students by focusing on real-life language use, specifically greetings and leave taking. We were able to make vocabulary practice more relevant and engaging. This project helped us to understand how technology can make learning more fun and interactive, and it also showed us how important it is to create activities that are clear and engaging for students. And we hope this kind of activity can help students enjoy learning English more and improve their vocabulary. Okay, I think that's all from me. I will give back to moderator.
Okay. Thank you, Nita, for the explanation. That's the end of our presentation. We hope it was clear and helpful